the way. See, now it penetrated through, and it's going even lower, and that's it. So
you want me to hold this?
No, it's not the same.
Oh, there he comes, there he goes.
So now I just let it suck out the oil.
Does it keep going on its own?
I have to keep making sure, if I want it to go as fast as possible, keep it max pressure.
Where do you see the pressure?
Like by pushing it. Like it's not giving me much now. But what you can do is set up a tank here. As the air circulates, it creates
the pressure.
Yep. Well, it creates vacuum inside, sucking in air now. So it's telling me it's almost done.
Do you want to remove the old sticker?
No. Come on, man. Just go right over the new one. So the last one was done on January 1st for 75,000 miles. And this one, I'm not sure how many miles it has now, but it's well over 80, maybe 85.
So how are you certain that all the sludge is out?
I'm not. Look at that. Look at the whole line.
And it's clean.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
That is pretty cool, but it's not clean up here.
Yeah, this is on the outside though.
Come on.
I'm so tired.
10 more reps. 10 more reps.
It's been a long week, man.
10 more reps.
That's good, man. It keeps it safe. We just loosen that up right there. But it's going to be hot. So this doesn't let go of your phone. Moment of truth. Yep. A little bit left. Alright, so next what we're going to do is change the filter, oil filter.
Can you see it?
What?
From the bottom?
Yeah.
No, the oil filter.
No, it's on top.
Oh, the
This is Volkswagen. It's not a...
Damn, that's tight. That shouldn't be that tight.
It's moving.
It's moving or it's...
No, it's moving. It's just the rubber. I couldn't change the filter last time
Because of that?
because I didn't have the socket. It's a little finicky, but it's designed to come out, I mean. Come on, baby. There you go. And I try to keep the center above the center as much as possible.
Nice. Put on the...
So here's the filter, and then you don't have to be gentle with old ones. Oh.
They didn't want to be gentle with you either.
Two. And then the third one is up here. There's a little slot here.
Notch?
Yeah. Again, if you have a pick, I think that's what you called it last time. This is much easier.
Just put your finger under it.
That's what I tried doing. Alright.
Now
the new one.
You have to clean it though.
What?
I'm assuming you have to clean it.
No, it's alright. All the heavy duty work is done by the filter. So these, if you can get some oil on it.
The big one first.
Yep. Doesn't really matter. So put it all the way where it's supposed to be, and then just bring it all the way around. It's in the same slot. These fell here, but I got them. Okay. The next one, again, if you get some oil on it, it's easier to put on.
Way to ruin a good part of the video.
What? I didn't say anything. Alright, and then once you get one side in, it's pretty simple to just roll the rest in. Alright. It has to click inside. It doesn't. So, see the inside here? There's nothing. Whereas the inside here, there's a little clip where the system can clip. That's how you know it's the right side. Boom. This portion needs to go in the hole, but this portion, if it doesn't go in the hole, it catches on the side, and the filter itself comes out. So it has to be nice and solid.
Can you click that filter back in?
It's already clicked in.
It's already clicked.
Yep.
So you need to make sure you go straight.
Yep. If you do this enough, you'll figure it out. I just haven't done it in a little while. Boom. That's it. So it went straight in. Now
Start threading.
So I go backwards a little bit just to make sure my threads are in line, and then I go forward, and then it catches. Once I can't lift it back up, I remove my bib to make sure the bib isn't caught in the. And a little, boom, that's it. Put the hose back to its original spot if it stays there. Extends the service life, prevents metal to metal corrosion, contact I mean. So all you do is apply this, and every 2 or 3 oil changes you redo it. And you just, it's really simple. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby, that's it. And just let it rest for a few minutes. Alright, so now we're just gonna pop it up, up. Nice and gold. It's at cap right now, so we're good. We're good?
No, it has to be exactly full.
It's full.
Oh.
We're at cap, meaning we're at capacity. And I'm a stickler for detail. I always put the cap almost upside down, so when you turn it, you can read it, so it doesn't go